Today, we are going to show you how to stake NEAR tokens using the MyNearWallet web app. But before we get to that, Atlas Staking is continually adding validators, so the information you see here will change. But as of today, you can stake Akash, Avail, Babylon, Band, which is a cross-chain oracle, bringing real-world data on-chain, Bitway. You can stake Bitcoin with us to earn multiple tokens through the Babylon protocol, Atom, the Cosmos Hub token, Ellis, Intento, which allows you to automate transactions cross-chain, Kava, Near Network, which is quickly becoming the AI blockchain, Osmosis, Polygon, Ethereum's first layer 2, Radix, SATA Network, Story Protocol, which might be the coolest project that we support, Stride Protocol, Symphony, a tokenized currency blockchain, and we've got a few chains on deck as well, so continually check our website for additional tokens that you can stake, and you can learn more about us down there towards the bottom of our website. The future of blockchains is near, so let's talk about staking. Once you open MyNearWallet, click the staking menu item up top, and on the next page, click that blue button that says Stake My Tokens. One great feature about MyNearWallet is the ability to stake your tokens with any validator staking pool, no matter how small, whereas some of the other wallets only allow you to stake with the top 100 largest pools. And MyNearWallet wants you to help decentralize the chain, so they let you stake with whoever you want. So in that validator account ID box, type Atlas Staking. Once our pool pops up, go ahead and click that button that says Select. On the next screen, you'll see our pool name up toward the top of the page, and you need to confirm your selection. So click that button that says Stake with Validator. Now enter the number of NEAR tokens you would like to stake in the pool, and never stake 100% of your tokens. Always leave the spare change to the right of the decimal to pay the gas fee for future transactions. And then just click that button down there on the bottom that says Submit Stake. And finally, click that button that says Confirm to send your transaction on chain. And you did it! Your tokens are now successfully staked with the Atlas staking pool, and you are reliably earning NEAR staking rewards. Thanks so much for staking with us. To check out your staked position, you'll need to return to your main wallet page. So click that button that says Return to Dashboard. And back on your staking page, you'll see your staked NEAR and that you are currently pooled with the Atlas staking pool. One of the very best ways to keep track of crypto transactions is using tax software like Coinly. And even if you're lucky enough to live in a country that doesn't require you to pay income taxes on your crypto gains and staking rewards, it's still a great platform just to keep everything all in one place as kind of a portfolio management tool. And we have a referral link that can get you a discount. But what's great is that you can use Coinly for free until you decide to generate a report. And so it's zero risk to try it out, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like here. Here we're taking a look at the wallet page inside Coinly, and you'll see the menu banner across the top that wallets is selected. All you got to do is type the name of the exchange where you would like to import your transactions from, or the name of the blockchain. So for the purpose of this example, we will type in NEAR, looking for the NEAR blockchain and syncing our NEAR wallet. And you'll see that you type NEAR, NEAR pops up, and then you simply click on that NEAR icon. On the next screen, give your wallet a name, paste in your receiving address, and then click that button that says Import, and the wheels are in motion. You will see a little notification in the corner letting you know that it's fetching your transactions from the blockchain, and your wallet will be ready to view in just a minute or two. And there you have it. You can see it has pulled in all transactions from your wallet address, and you didn't have to do anything. And it's really an amazing convenience. And we've tried several crypto tax platforms, and Coinly was by far the most bang for the buck and the simplest to use. So hopefully this gave you the courage to give it a shot and test it out. If you are seeing this video on YouTube or social media and you got something out of it, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and certainly feel free to share it. And check out atlasstaking.com to see which tokens you can stake with us to generate a little passive income from your idle crypto.